started with our plant 3. We have some new product introduction over there that we needed crane support, which we didn't have. We actually installed that in January and completion end of January on that project. From there, we went to a couple new cranes that we bought through you guys. And then we had about 3 other cranes that we retrofitted and to bring back to new condition. We have the last one out right now at your shop. It was remarkable. I mean, the speed, the engineering, the service was all impeccable. I mean, couldn't ask for anything better.